Okay, so now in this video we will create a UI for showing the missions to the player. For now, as you can see, we don't have any UI for showing the missions to the player or give him updates about the missions. Okay, so before adding the missions, let me remove this load button now from here, because we have the load button on our main menu now. So it is right here, just simply delete it. Okay, then right here let's create a UI canvas by the name of save canvas. In here we will be creating our save game UI and also our mission UI. Okay, so I will just simply name this as save canvas. You can name this whatever you want. Then in here we will create a UI panel, and let's name this panel as mission panel or missions panel. Then let's change into scene view 2D mode. Then click on save canvas, and right here now we have this mission panel. So what we're gonna do, we will just simply move it to this point, then up there like that. And let me turn on the gizmos so that we can see the canvas and mission panel. Okay, now what we will do right here is first of all resize it, then click on that and move it to the top left side. Okay, like that, so it stays right here on the top left. And if you click on game view, as you can see, here it is. Now if we get back right here again, let me just move it up there a little bit, and then let's increase the width of it to 500 and the height will be 100. Now as you can see, it looks like that, but let me just increase its height a little bit more, and as you can see, it looks really good now. So if you click on the mission panel, let me change the color of it to a little bit dark. Okay, like that. Then in here let's add a UI legacy text, and let's name this as heading. The heading will be mission. Okay, let's move this to top side. Okay, then let's make the alignment in the center, make the font size 30, and make the width of it as 165, and the height will be 40 maybe. Then let's move it a little bit right there. Then select the font, and let's change the color of it to something like green. Okay, like that. Okay, so now as you can see, it looks really good. You can increase the font size according to your own style, but I will now leave this on 32, and as you can see, it looks really good like that. Now after the heading, let's create a UI legacy text again, and this time this will be the mission information. Okay, in here we will show the mission information, so leave it on the middle center, and then let's move it a little bit down below. And if you go ahead and open up the script, then missions, and open up the mission script right here, as you can see, this will be all of our missions. But for now, let me just copy this mission and click on mission information, and just let me paste it right in there. Okay, just for testing. Then make the font size 30, make the width 400, and the height will be 70. And actually we can increase the width of it to the fullest like that. Okay, and now as you can see, it is in one line. Okay, move it to the center and then down below like that. Then keep select the text right here, select the font size. As you can see, now it looks even more good. Right here, make the color white, and if we check it now, as you can see, it now looks really beautiful. Okay, the UI looks really beautiful now. So with our missions UI now added, now in the next video we will change this text according to the mission information. So with this done, I will catch you guys in the next one.